In this video, I'll show you how to use wireless charging with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro and Pro Max. There's 3 different ways on how you can charge your phone wirelessly without using the plug right over here. So let's get started. The first option is to use a portable wireless charger like this one. It does not need to be plugged. It's just a big battery with a charger over here. It's a Magsafe charger, which means that the back of the iPhone over here, there's a magnet. This is magnetized as well. So you just have to glide them together and they stay put. And at the same time, your iPhone is charging. So this is a great solution on the go. And this one on top of that also has a small stand. So you can use your iPhone this way while it's charging. I'll put a link in the description to all the charger I'll show you today. All right, so this one it needs to be charged. It has a USB Type-C. You plug it a few hours, you come back, and that's it. Now, second option is to use a Magsafe charger, but this time it's corded. So you'll need a USB Type-C plug over here, cable, sorry, like that one. You plug one end over here, the other end in an outlet, and just like the other Magsafe charger, you come with your iPhone here and it attaches and it stays put quite well because the magnets are strong both ways. This one is made by Anker, but many other companies do. You can switch your iPhone while it's charging wirelessly. Now there's also a more basic wireless charger out there, which is this one. I mean, everybody saw one of these. It's a wireless charger that does not have a magnet. It's charging using USB Type-C, so you need to connect this cable in the back here, like that, and put your iPhone over the charger. But this time you need to place it carefully because if it's misplaced like that, it won't charge. It absolutely needs to be aligned with the center of the charger. So this is more basic. I'll put a link to one of these two. Obviously, they're a bit cheaper, but I highly recommend you get a Magsafe since you don't have to be precise. You just come, bam, and when it sticks, it means that it's good to charge. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that the iPhone, yes, it has a magnet over here to connect to different wireless charger, but the problem is that if you have a case that is not Magsafe compatible, your iPhone won't stick well because there will be something between the charger and the phone. Fortunately, there are cases that come with a Magsafe magnet integrated in them. So even if, let's say I use this case, like that, all right, since it has a magnet, the case has a magnet, it will still stick really well to these chargers, so you won't have to worry about that. Just make sure it's compatible. So these were 3 different ways on how to use the wireless charging feature of your iPhone 16. Please type a comment down below which one you prefer, and check the Amazon links in the description to get one of these, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.